Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry. Today I'm going to show you how to hide your HUD and how to hide your hand in the event that, you know, your hand is just sticking out. You don't want that there either. You can do this very easily in Minecraft Bedrock by just hitting escape, going to settings, going down to your video settings. Then here at the top you can hide your hand, hide the paper doll, and hide your HUD so that you don't see any of this stuff and your camera perspective remains in first person, or you can change it to third person back or front depending on what you want to do or what you want to film. And then when you hit escape, all of that stuff will be gone and then you just see what's going on in Minecraft. So I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye everybody, and have a good one.